It's a nice dinner. I really like it. Are you going to put some music on, everyone? We're filming. Bottling, I'm not very hungry. Don't have anything then, Mom. Good advice, Ole. Laura, you do some good cooking, don't you? Well, thank you, Bonnie. Never knew I had those cups there. I like this song. I like it quite a lot too, Mum. Do you, Ole? It's nice and slow. If you're sad it's the song you want, I assure you. You know there's been a warning of an earthquake, don't you? Earthquake nonsense. It is highly unlikely, yes. This is a nice drink. It's tomato juice that we've got tonight. Mom, it's the best. Oh, I'm glad you like it, Ole. I really am. You always do good cooking, Mom. Good. You for that new cooker from Morgan.